Okay, here we are again. Kitchen, still working on the kitchen. Let's go have a look at the exit to patio 3, east patio. Got the rain glass, the iron door. Boy, that iron door is hot. Well, it's warm, which is nice. A lot of wind blowing through there. Interesting. So this is our pantry area, which is also very nice. Nice window here. Some rough-ins for plumbing and electrical. Switches there. Can lights there. Vent fan. And which the plumbers like to call fart fans. But anyway, there's a couple of them there. Receptacles. Fresh water. Drinking water will come in there. We've got that for the big fridge. That's power for the big fridge. This will be where the kitchen sink is. Lots of rough-ins for that. A lot of sun comes through here. I think maybe more than we thought or planned on. I'm not sure. There's plenty of sun coming in here. This is the nominal desk location, which not a bad place for an office, actually. Kind of nice. This is a bifold we had painted recently. Just came unprimed. We had a painter come and prime it. Did a great job. One day. So we're heading off into the master area, master bedroom. Now, this door hasn't been set yet. I suppose that's coming later. Kind of a cold fall breeze coming through. An exceptional view today. This time of year, the wind tends to blow a lot of the moisture away and it dries out. You can see the islands off in the distance there. So this is our hallway coming through. This will be our powder room, the wall mount toilet, sink rough-in, plumbing rough-in, electricals, that fan, and a light up there. A little bit of a closet with a little bit of a future light coming in. This area will be for the TV rough-in. The back side of it, this is the blocking for it. And this will be the laundry area. Again, the skylight here, perfect choice actually. It's brilliant right now. It looks really nice. It lights up this whole area. I won't be having to run lights for here. Sink, washer, dryer. There's a switch gang there. This will be where the controls for the HVAC are. They'll set them here. So our thermostat will be right there. This goes out to the garage. You can see quite the spaghetti factory over there and in the ceiling. So. Continuing on, bedroom 3, we got ourselves a little receptacle there. This is a wall space that we have yet to take full advantage of in our design, I think. And this is the bedroom. Got plumbing rough for what we thought would be the outside on the other side of this. Basically, we had planned to put a drain in here and a sink and an outdoor area, which, by the way, we've got in. And so here's master bed. view from the east, big view south and southwest, and then kind of not so great a view of the neighbor's house towards the west. Rough-in electricals, HVAC, 2 ducts against this wall, which will be great. And when it gets warm, a couple of lights up here, which will be really nice at night. Sconce lights there and there. Beginnings of a roof, a ceiling coffer that we had put in. Still some details yet to be defined here. Kind of turns out that this truss is probably going to have a little bit of a break in it. And then a constant flat surface, but this particular one will have its own break, I think. We're still working on details with that. This is the master bathroom. Again, the plumbing details. This got a little bit far over, but we had no choice really. And plumbing rough in, handle, shower head, and this will be the shower, fan overhead, over bath light there. Oh, this will be the bath. The bath fill will set there. Bathtub drain is here, and that's what they look like. Okay. Looks like some signal wire here for the cable for the camera system. Plumbing, rough electrical. This is the master toilet. Some switches, fan, and a light, and little areas that we aren't talking about. This is the master bedroom switch location. We couldn't go there, and we located it over here. We have makeup light, power. I'm wondering why this, this is all just bundled up 12 gauge mirror. Another power location for the countertop here. And into the closet, this will be where the data wires come for the closet. All the house data information system will come into here. All these guys, spaghetti factory up there. Master closet. We got a fan in there and some lights, 3 of them, and receptacles against that wall. And this is a switch, and this room has receptacles here and here. So I think we are on a good trajectory here. So that's about it. I'll make a quick run out to the back. Just a second. Here we're going to go to the garage. And that's the HVAC system up there. Evaporator and heater. Water heater's going to go there. This will be a car charger, I think, that one. I'm going to look at this. Yeah, that's it. It's 240 volt car charger. Another car charger over there. The electrician ran the signal wires for the garage. These down here. Up there. and up here. So that's all ready. We got that ready to go. These are the mains coming down. Getting ready to have, I've got 2 sub panels and a 400 amp main panel. And there's my spy cam keeping an eye on things, diligently watching all things. And there's going to be a sink over here. And we got lights. Boy, do we have lights in this place. We got lights. Also on the garage, the eaves, there will be can lights up there.
Is it going to be stucco here?
Yeah. Yeah, it'll be stucco down and then
In here,
in.
stucco, right?
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
O sea, vamos a meter y le ponemos tape y dejarlo así nomás.
This is our outside of our bedroom 2 door. There's a main cable. That is a big dog. This is our condenser for outside. It's going to go here. There's the main panel, gas inlet. That's a whole saga. Nice little window here for the master bath. This is going to be an outdoor shower for the beach shower. This is the backyard. And like I said, a nice clear day today. Quiet, kind of peaceful. Some progress you can see on the roof there. I suspect they'll finish this in a couple more days. Probably a couple more days of work out here on the roof. These little sections take them a long time. Cut the tiles. Still got some work to do here on the side. Anyway, that's it for now. And Raul's out here working. So, all right, that's it for today. Bye.